Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing these AirPod Maxes from DHgate. They come in that first box because of customs, but once you open it up, you'll see the one-to-one Apple box. On the bottom of the box, you'll see the serial number, and I'll show you later how it matches up on your phone. Once you open the box, you'll see these protective ear covers. Under those, you'll see the headphones, and they come wrapped up. Inside the smart case, you'll see the lettering that says designed by Apple in California. These Maxes are not too heavy, they feel super comfortable on your ears. You're also able to adjust them to your liking on both sides. And you could remove the cushioning if you want to replace them or clean them out. And there's a USB-C charging port at the bottom. It also comes with an instruction manual if you need help setting them up. And then under that, you'll see the USB-C charger. To connect them to your device, all you have to do is take them out of the smart case. Once it does, click connect and then wait a couple seconds for it to load. Listening modes include transparency and noise cancellation. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the serial number. And this pair comes with Apple Care, which expires in December. Here I'm just testing out the controls to see how they work with the music. To skip a song, it's 2 clicks. To go back to the previous song, it's 3 clicks. And then pause and play is 1 click. And then you can also increase or decrease the volume by scrolling the button. Everything also shows up in the control center if you want to change your listening mode or spatial audio. Spatial audio comes in fixed or head tracking. These AirPods go for $125 USD. The audio and control work great on these. I give them a 9 out of 10. I think they're a great alternative if you're on a budget. If you're interested, check out the link in my description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.